Okay, so let's look at the Supercon badge that I got this year. My first time playing with SAOs to that level. So I'll power it on. And I'll power it on again so you can see the sequence. So those NeoPixels do not do anything on their own, they have to be driven. They get an init sequence. Then you have different kind of SAOs. You have this one, which doesn't require any programming or anything from the CPU. It just does its own. Of course, soldering, which you can see I did a fantastic job with, was the hard part. I got some help, this is ridiculous. This one has its own LED that's changing colors. You don't control it, it just does it by power. The name badge, well, that's pretty simple, self-explanatory. So the DuckJaws SAO has its own CPU that will change the LED, but you can also talk to it and program it on how to do it. The petal doesn't actually do anything by default, so we'll look into that. I programmed it. And the touch control here, same thing. It does actually change color, but that's it. So now you can see already that things are changing speed when I'm touching here. So it should be speeding up as I get around. And it's speeding up both the pedal as well as the NeoPixel ring. Try it again, make it go faster. Now you notice the NeoPixels are always a little bit too bright. So I have a button for that. Not very bright, middle bright, and high bright. At the same time, that's the R, red button, and you see now the DuckJaws LED is red when I'm holding it. I'm saying in an I2C command to say please be red. Green is the button number 2, so it's just sending a green to this LED. The DuckJaws SAO again has to be controlled via CPU, so I'm sending a command to the CPU to say please. It's still actually doing work, right? It's actually flashing the green by itself, but I'm saying please only do green. I'm going to release, it's going to go back to all the colors. And blue is the last one. You can see again blue here, blue on the jaws. And now the NeoPixels are bright. That was because the button's doing two different things. So that's making SAOs work together, which hopefully was, well, it was the idea. Hopefully I did a decent job. And then, yeah, you can see the head I've been working on completely separate. It just happens to be on my desk. Enjoy.